So I hope you got your coins to give me a tip, boo, because I'm serving. Yes. What is goody, y'all? It's your girl, Effortless K, and I'm back at it, baby. So if it's your first time here, thank you so much for clicking on the thumbnail. My name is Effortless K, and I love beauty, hair, fashion, really any and everything there is dealing with beauty. I love it. So if you like those things too, I hope you'll consider becoming a part of the fam today by clicking the red subscribe button. And to all my A1s since day one, what it do, boo? So today, guys, we are gonna talk about Miss KANESHA. KANESHA is a Sensationnel Empress lace wig that they have released from the Shear Muse line. So let's get into it. So KANESHA is by Sensationnel, and she is a part of their Shear Muse line. Now, Shear Muse has a plethora of units, and most of their units have some really fun colors. All of their units have really fun colors. They say, be your own muse, salon inspired cut and color, ear lace, includes baby hair, lightweight unit, cutting edge looks for the girl who's not afraid to live on the edge. Empress lace wigs, Shear Muse. So, Sensationnel, Empress, same difference, same company. It's supposed to be different from all the other wigs, all the other wig companies rather, because of the color palettes and things like that they have going on with the Shear Muse line. For instance, this is the color palette for this wig for KANESHA. The color that we have is Money Piece Blonde. It's this one right here. Yeah, Money Piece Blonde. KANESHA features ear-to-ear lace, they said, which she did. She is big head associate, as KANESHA likes to say. But let's get back on to that lace. First of all, this lace was ghostly white, like sensational. What was the point of putting that white lace on this unit? What was your reasoning behind that, boo? Because I don't understand. I don't get it. It wasn't on any of your other Shear Muse wigs. So why did you put it on this one, boo? You could have left it off. Because it cost me more to go over here, as y'all saw, and put like black eyeliner on some of the lace, because I just could not blend that joint. Like, it was not happening. And I mean, honestly, I don't know. I'm not a fan. I did a couple of baby hairs just to do some, because they were there. I do appreciate that about the lace. I mean, about the wig, that it had sparse baby hairs. Y'all, I did not glue it down, obviously, because yeah, we flapping over here. It does say that it is curling iron safe up to from 350 up to 400 degrees. I did use some heat, just a little bit, to I just had a couple of flyaways up here, and I wanted to kind of smooth it down a little bit because I felt like it was a little humpy right here. She does have filler hairs in her, so be aware of that. But baby, let me tell you something. I am a filler hair type of girl. You understand? I love me some good filler hairs, baby. I like that. But boom, yes. So these are the curls that she comes with, which are cute, but I'm probably gonna be combing these out. As a matter of fact, let's do it now. So I really like her brushed out. Yes. She is not tangling as I'm running my finger. Okay, just a little. But I mean, come on, y'all. She is a synthetic unit. She is gonna tangle over time, even if she don't tangle at this very present moment. You know what I'm saying? She gonna tangle. Not shedding though, I will say that. She is a light colored unit, and I cut the lace pretty crazy too. I got 2 strands, and I just did all of that. Not a lot of tangling and shedding, so those are 2 pros. This cap though, too tight. That lace though, too white. Oh, bars, yeah. So this is her to the front, her to the side, and her to the back. And the other side. Oh, girl. Girl. What? Oh. Yeah, so that pretty much wraps up Miss KANESHA. I would say out of 10, I will give her about a 7. I'll give her about a 7 as far as synthetic wigs go. So yeah, if I left anything off, you guys make sure y'all drop a comment down below. Ask me any question you like, I will answer. I do love you guys, and I do appreciate y'all so much. I pray God continues to keep y'all and cover y'all and bring y'all back to me. I love y'all.